global pioneer in the coating and laminating industry. Since 2005, we have delivered 300 solvent-free compound machines annually to 38 countries, with a total of 2,680 units reshaping the world's perception of Made in China. From the Qinghai-Tibet Plateau to the eastern coastline, our imprint is deeply embedded in China's industrial landscape. Here, in our National R&D Center for Intelligent Coating, innovation thrives. Partnering with top universities, we hold 17 patents and 6 software copyrights, from Chongqing's first insulation material laminating machine to the chip carrier film coating machine that broke foreign monopolies. Each breakthrough redefines the future of our industry. On our factory floor, a 0.001mm tolerance is not just a standard, it's a belief. Our 3-station laminators and breathable film laminating machine serve 45 industries. Through 6 core brands, we transform steel into integrated solutions, achieving the perfect fusion of technology and craftsmanship. With 119 international patents and participation in drafting 7 national standards, we speak with authority in the industry. Our multinational team brings together global expertise to deliver equipment for food, pharmaceuticals, aerospace, and national defense. With Chinese innovation, we are rewriting the rules of industrial coating. From lab experiments to intelligent production lines, from artisan bands to AI algorithms, Sinstar is redefining manufacturing through intelligence. As our EB coating machine operates in Tokyo and quadplex laminators protect Brazilian vaccines, we're not just keeping pace with the industry, we are accelerating its revolution.
20年新四大坚守一国信念，用中国制造重新定义徒步技术的世界标准。这119项专利的背后，是新四大技术团队无数个日日夜夜沉积的展现。
我们相信，真正的中国工匠精神，既要有正负0.001毫米的极致追求，更要有让全球工业受益的胸怀。新时达的下一个10年，将继续以创新为笔，以匠心为墨，在世界制造的版图上书写更多的中国答案。